Hey guys, what's going on? I just received my Critical Cycle bike from Post, from US Post, and I would like to share with you guys this experience. It looks really like a strong bike as they advertise. The parts are really clean and strong. Like the tire is brand new and it looks like made by excellent quality. So now you guys, I already opened that up, but that's the case itself. So that's what you're gonna receive. It's pretty big. It's like I don't know, like 1.5 meters, and actually there's no way you can get this bike back because it would cost you too much. So once you bought it, just make sure twice, um, because you're gonna keep it. And you will have with the bike this nice tool here. I still don't know what's inside. Let's see. So yeah. Okay, we got here. I got here the pedals, the lights in the box. Let's see what else in this bike. So, well, I'll just design it. You guys just watch if you want. But this video will speed up. Speed. Well, this is a kind of nice, stylish set. There you go. And here are the tools. I got the tools here. I got this. I got these things for the brake, I guess. There it is. Yeah. It's not like a tricky part. It looks like the screw things are pretty easy to take off, which is what I'm doing. This looks like a beautiful bike. I cannot wait to get back to target the shitty ones I bought. I was really scared about the fact that I had to build up the brake myself, but apparently I don't have to, which is a good thing. And this is a fixie bike. That means that eventually you can fix the tire to the gear. So if you cycle backward, your bike actually will go backward itself. Looks like a good one. Alright, so take this off. The pedals. Again, looks like good quality pedals. This bike literally looks great. So, yeah. Good. Oh well.